How to find mule deer sheds. Gun and bow hunting are not the only ways to harvest deer antlers for crafting and home decor. A more humane method is hunting for deer sheds. Each year mule and whitetail deer shed their antlers, which lie on the ground in woods and fields until a shed hunter comes along to put them to use. Unharvested antler sheds eventually suffer gnaw marks from starving winter mice seeking food and nutrients. Things you'll need: warm clothing, game camera. Dress warmly for your trip. Mule deer mating season occurs through November and December, after which antlers begin to shed, typically through the months of January and February. However, you can find antlers from previous years at any time. Travel deer trails and checking common bedding and feeding areas. Mule bucks' antlers fall off as they go about their daily routines. The Deer Hunting Guide website recommends using a topographical map of your hunting area to locate southward-facing hillsides, wooded areas, pooled water areas and agricultural fields where mule deer may gather or pass through. Walk around your gun or bow hunting area, around your own property or the property of any landowners who will allow you to shed hunt. As you walk, watch for tracks in the snow or muddy January ground. With snow cover you can easily spot trails, bedding and feeding areas. Check near fences for dropped antlers. According to the Deer Hunting Guide shares, the jolt caused by a jump over a fence and landing often causes antlers to fall loose. Follow deer trails around, to and from fence crossings and watch for antlers lying on the ground. Walk slowly and pause to survey the surrounding area for antlers lying hidden on the ground. Snow may cover antlers or they may appear as twigs and grasses, making sheds hard to spot. Walking slowly and taking small pauses to look carefully around an area increases your chances. You may notice a bit of the antler sticking up through the snow or notice sunlight glinting off the roughly polished surfaces. Hang a game or trail camera in common deer areas or your favorite hunting spots. Monitor the pictures on your camera to see if mule bucks have shed their antlers yet. Placing several trail cameras may help you monitor the movements of a specific mule buck. Tips. Warnings. Mule deer reside in the western parts of the United States, Canada, and Mexico, so looking elsewhere for sheds is possible but will never result in finding a mule deer shed.